Is a car show here in Farmerville, of all places. It's a good car show. It's the first annual. It is called the Town Showdown. And from what I'm understanding, there's going to be quite a few cars there, like over 100, I believe. We're going to head out there this in the morning. We're going to go take some pictures, maybe make some videos. I don't know. It's supposed to be kind of warm tomorrow, so I don't really know what we're going to do. I do know we're going to have some fun. We're going to get some good pictures of some good cars and, for y'all's entertainment. Please, just let me know what y'all think about my channel. Hit me down there in the comments.
In the making, 40 years for the taking. Anything to be famous. Same story never changes. And I see who you are, and it tears me apart. You're lost in the fog, so go back to the start. You're sick with all the rocks, you're burned with all the stars. I see under your skies, it's so sad what you are. My pretty little rock star, my pretty little rock star.
I've seen those sleepless lights, sipped on the champagne life. New York City, high dollar tipsy, and I felt an LA sun, cruising up Highway 1. Picture perfect, that red sting was worth it. I've been to some parties, seen my name on marquees, red line in a black Ferrari in the country. But I've never been on top of this world with one look you want, girl. White Adidas on bare feet, t-shirt hiding your two-piece. Angel neath the makeup, wake I could only make it. Never have I ever, no, I've never seen something like you. Seen something like you. Moonlight in your blue eyes, light up a midnight ride, slow shadow dancing, it must be magic. You're all seven wonders, wrapped up in one girl, star shooting, breathless as heaven. But I've never been on top of this world. One look you want, girl, white Adidas on bare feet, t-shirt hiding your freshie. Angel neath the makeup, wake I could only make it. Never have I ever, no, I've never seen something like you.
Farmerville.